Good Monday morning. Welcome to Squawk on the Street. I'm Carl King today with Jim Cramer and David Faber at Post 9 of the New York Stock Exchange. We kick off the final full week of trading of the year this week. Futures pretty solid, unwinding some of last week's decline. We'll catch up on some eco data this week. We'll get some jobs, some retail sales, 10-year around 416. Our roadmap begins with the state of the AI trade. Oracle's coming off those double-digit weekly losses. NVIDIA coming off 4 straight down days, and a big downgrade for one major AI chip player.
Plus, President Trump says Kevin Warsh is at the top of his Fed chair candidate list. This is JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon reportedly signals his support. And Goldman Sachs making a bullish call on one key area of the market. It's rallying right now. They're saying investors have not priced in growth in this sector for next year.
If our screen looks a little bit different today, that's because CNBC has introduced an updated logo design. The peacock may no longer appear beside our name, but everything you can count on from our reporting remains the same. This upward tick anchors the new logo and hopefully reflects our commitment to giving viewers the chance to achieve their financial goals and ambitions. Jim, kind of rhymes with the upward chart graphic design that we've designed.
A lot of people have asked me what will be the big change when we move over, or we are moving over to Versant. And I have said over and over again, nothing. And I don't think it matters at all because the programming is the same. I mean, David, you know that it has always been kind of an afterthought, necessarily, who you work for versus doing a great job.
Yeah, no, it's not going to change anything we do or the way we do it. I may talk a little more about Comcast in a way that maybe,
I was going to ask you. That's one of the reasons I brought it up.
Not that, frankly, to be fair, Comcast has never, and I always have appreciated, not once in the entire time, ever said a word to me about my coverage of the company.
Me neither.
And I greatly appreciate that.
Well, and remember the days where we would play Hallelujah whenever we mentioned GE?
Back in those days. So, but it will be fair to point out that we will be completely unassociated with the company that has been our parent for a long time. And then, of course, we are going to be talking endlessly about the virtues of Versant. VSNT, for all of you out there, soon to trade, although not here.
1:25? It's a tough ratio.
Yeah, well, we'll see. But it's
bad ratio for us.
Maybe it'll trade
Very
at
hard
like 5 times.
No, it's
5 times EBITDA.
I'm just saying that if it were not us, I would say that was a bad idea and someone should have gone over it. You don't do that kind of ratio.
Why?
Because there isn't anyone who gets it from Comcast who would think about not selling it.
I see.
It's a natural to sell.
There may be some dislocation in the early days, but we'll worry about that in a couple of weeks.
We'll let it settle.
Fair enough.